Okay folks, so andito tayo sa Subway right now at ating bagong susubukan at kakainin ngayon ay ang Smoky Malt Barbecue Pulled Pork. That's just half a foot long or 6 inches. So yun yung in-order ko dahil hindi naman tayo malakas kumain. So ayan siya. Wow, very beautiful. I can't wait to taste this. Tsaka may recommended veggies na siya. Ang bread natin is yung Parmesan oregano, diba? Sa shell. Here we go. Wow. It's sweet, it's savory. Hindi pa natin nabutan yung pork weight lang. Work. Very malambot. Ayun siyang asim na nakakakiliti. Because of the veggies, doon na bibig natin na. Masyado natin na-enjoy. Ayun. In saltiness ng pork. Perfect complement siya dun sa asim, tamis ng veggies and the sauce. Ito yung alat na may enjoy mo eh. Para siyang yung cured ham talaga. I mean, malapit yung lasa niya sa Chinese ham. Yung pagkaalat ng pork. Is this worth 185? Definitely. It's something that you wanna eat for more than 30 minutes. Because gusto mong namnamin talaga yung flavors. And hindi to sponsored pero Subway baka naman. Yun lang. So, again, that's barbecue malt pulled pork. Ang haba ng pangalan. So, tama naman yung tagline nila na happy hour.